Hello, welcome. So I have for you today another box. These boxes won't go up in the same day. I'll pace them out. One will go up one day, the other one will go up the next, but I do have another box for you. I do just want to remind you guys, and it'll be linked down below. Right now I kind of have a poll going on what I should do for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So I will link that down below. Also, I started a Patreon account. And basically what it is you can subscribe to the Patreon account. And I haven't completely set it up yet, but I plan on making tiers. And for each tier that you decide that you want to donate, if you would like to donate, you'll get extra stuff. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, but like tier 1 might be that you'll get extra content that won't show up on my regular YouTube channel. You know, tier 2 might be that I'll do a monthly giveaway with my Patreon subscribers. I just really haven't put the thought together yet. I just signed up. But that link will also be down below. I'm hoping that I can get some sort of a thought formed before this video goes up. But if not, it is there if you are interested in becoming a subscriber on Patreon for this channel. So, I have for you today fruit for thought, and the sticker is upside down. So this is a lifestyle box that kind of revolves around a fruit or a flavor or something like that every month. I don't remember how much this box costs. I'll put it on the screen. But with that being said, let's go ahead and open it up. I hope this is the top. It looks like the top, but the box kind of opened up differently than they normally open up. So there is that. It has really pretty bright yellow paper on it. And actually, I can't even really see anything. See a bunch of squigglies. So let's dig on in. I can't remember if this box has a paper that has the items on it. I'm not seeing it up front, so I'll just go ahead and start pulling things out. So here we have Botanica Register, and it's silverware. And they have little lemons on them, so I guess lemons is the theme this month. I don't know, I'm not sure where my little paper is, so I will just keep digging, but so there is that. The next thing I am pulling out is, what is this? It's a hang tight towel. Good heart, smart mouth. And it says easy peasy lemon squeezy. And you just, I don't know, hang it on a rack in the kitchen, or you could probably loop it fairly easy on your apron or maybe stick it in your pocket or a belt loop or something like that. I don't know. I'll have to read the directions. It says fold into thirds, place over handle, pull towel through loop. Okay, so it's basically so it just stays put on a rack, I guess. But that is really cute. The next thing I am pulling out here is a pink lemonade shower steamer. And it is in tin foil, so I'm going to unwrap it a little bit and give it a sniff. It smells like lemon. Citrus, lemon. I like that, that's nice. And that can go in my new organizational thing in the bathroom. The next thing I am pulling out here is the original lemon heads. I will give those to my son. I'm sure he will like those. He likes sour things. The next thing I am pulling out here is Gray Ghost Bakery Scratch Made Cookies, lemon sugar. So that is cool. I will let my husband eat those. I am gluten-free, and these probably are not gluten-free. But they are 170 calories for both cookies. So that is cool. The next thing I am pulling out here is, oh, oh, okay. This is another shower steamer, and this is lemonade. This is pink lemonade, and this is lemonade. So let's see. Whew, that definitely is strong. Strong lemon, lemon, lemon. Ooh, goodness gracious. Is there, I guess there isn't a card in here. It's pretty much just a guessing game today, I guess. So this is, ooh, and next we have a pink lemonade body scrub. It smells okay. I mean, it smells like lemonade, but there's another scent in there. I'm not entirely sure what it is. It doesn't stink, but it smells, I don't know, I guess it smells more like that soapy smell than it does the lemonade. But, I mean, it still smells like lemonade. And it is a body scrub. There's just a weird scent in there that I'm not entirely sure what it is. So it looks like the last thing I am pulling out here is Petty in a Box. Complete 4-step pedicure system. And it is from Voish, New York. And it says Deluxe Pedicure Lemon Quench. Fresh lemon extract salt soak. And the directions are on the back. It says it's a 4-step, so there are, I don't know if it's a 4-step or, it says a complete 4-step. Let's see. Okay, so this is a salt soak. This is a sugar scrub. This is a mud mask, and this is a massage lotion. So there is that. I thought for sure that this box came with a sheet that said everything and the cost, but you know, I could 100% be mistaken because I get so many boxes and that's just the name of the game. Forgetfulness, I guess. Anyway, that was Fruit for Thought, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.